Assalamualaikum, namaste, how's everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna take you with me in my big lorry. Yay! We are gonna travel 55 miles, which is around an hour and 30 minutes drive. I'm going to Southend-on-Sea. Yeah! But we are not going to the beach. No. We'll just deliver our stuff and come back. Let me show you my vehicle, okay? Everything seems in this vehicle very small, as if you are looking them down. People look at you like this. Yeah, so this is my vehicle. Beautiful. So yeah, I'll see you later. I've enjoyed driving it, so I'm here at the customer's spot. I'm gonna drive back soon. I'm on my break. Right, I am driving this big lorry. I have to be very careful. Well, in the beginning I was a bit nervous, but today, yeah, I was good. I mean, I was enjoying driving it, so hopefully everything will be all right. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe it and smash the like button, because next video will be on the bike, my Basanti and me. And yeah, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. And I hope you have enjoyed watching my video. If you did, don't forget to smash on like, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.